Like Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Okay guys, check natin si Sir Alvin, no, yung update siya. Meron siyang interview dito sa
Chinese media.
labas,
Alvin
sa
Yeah.
IC, sa
It's
Netherlands.
Is Alvin like Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Sir Alvin, follow nyo to guys, si Sir Alvin and Tourism.
personal information.
Updated po yung
Why?
updated po yung mga video niya kasi nasa ICC sa ngayon, no. Marami silang mga updates. I-follow nyo lang po si Sir Alvin and Tourism. Ito po yung page niya. Yung followers niya ngayon nasa 210k. So follow nyo lang to para sa kay PRD o sa kay Tatay Digong, no, mga latest updates. So punta tayo dun.
They're from the media, Chinese media. So
Alvin Day.
Yeah. It's
Is Alvin like Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Okay.
So
You know, we really appreciate the Chinese stance on this arrest of our president. It's very important to us, especially Filipinos who support our former president.
so you're a student here?
Yeah, I am
or-
a student here.
Okay, so I think you're 32.
Yes.
So you were starting here, like in what major?
I am doing my master's here actually.
Okay.
Which media is this? I can.
Xinhua News Agency.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Media Chinise, parang may
you think
Chinese,
that there are some
parang
loopholes
Chinese
in-
siya.
Yeah, of course, definitely. It's going to be a legal battle. We really cannot just rely on the fact that because he's arrested, he's guilty of something. You know, we are no longer an ICC member
Yeah,
state.
tama. We are
And,
no longer
we
SICC.
maintain our independence as a sovereign nation.
Yeah.
We are here to show that we Filipinos have
Importante yan guys, no? Dapat Pilipino lang dapat yung mag-judge sa atin. Hindi ibang lahi.
our own identity, and that no foreign entity can enforce their rules or whatnot on us. He is our former president,
Yeah.
to say the least. There's a lot of problem there. And I really think that as Filipinos, we are just here to show support and love for him.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
that's it. Nice, Sir Alvin. Nice interview. Thank you. So, check natin sa sunod, no, ibang video natin. Salamat sa panonood, mga idol.